Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Just want to give you updates in our building construction work. In this stage of our building construction, we have moved on to installing the reinforcement for the decking, which is a crucial step before pouring concrete. After laying the nylon sheet to act as a moisture barrier, the next task the next task is placing the steel reinforcement either in the form of mesh or rebar. Based on the structural engineer's decision, the steel helps give the concrete slab the strength it needs to carry loads and resist cracking over time. So we are using a steel bar. To start, we review the structural drawing to ensure we are using the correct size and spacing of reinforcement. Then we position small concrete spacer known as cover blocks to lift the steel off the nylon, making sure there is enough concrete cover to protect it from corrosion. The main reinforcement bar are laid out and tied together securely, especially at junctions and edges where extra strength is needed. We also make sure that all the steel is properly supported and clean, free from rust or debris. Once everything is in place and checked according to the design, the setup is inspected and approved, making it ready for the next big step, concreting the slab. This stage marks a significant milestone in decking process and move us closer to completing the structure. We use 16 mm for the beam, then the rest are 12 mm rod. So this is the stage we are at the moment in this building construction journey. We are just documenting the journey. Like, share and subscribe to the video. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed.
the road ezigwe n'ọrụ ahụ but like ebe nke akata agwa dị ụlọ bere egbote ibu rọd niile asef amama ma na rọd ụlọ pila niile akata na-efuchaga ihe efukata bi ma adị ese emsere mgbe ahụ ọcha ihe nọcha n'ụlọ ahụ ihe dị rọd ezuru ebe nke aka etiche ebe nke rọd ebe nke sef a ga-etiche ebe rọd ebe ndị fọgara bụ ihe ndị nke a dị ya witi nke a ga-eti ya a na-across the road across na etiche ebe ndị nke aga ndị nke fọrọ agba mbọ wetekwa rọd na aka a complete ewute steepụ a gbabe steepụ a ebe ndị nke ya fọrọ but almost ndị those ones ndị nke adịgo complete ka ngosi gị ebe injinia ya gbaziri gosizie gị gwazie eme rọd ndị ọzọ a ga-eweta ka ngosi gị